Evening. I am back in another hotel. Surprise, surprise. If it's your first time watching, my name's Ian, aka MacBlogs, and tonight I am back at the Alona Hotel, which is part and next to Scotland's theme park, M&D Scotland's theme park. And right now I've just checked in and just about to check out with yourselves. Not check out the room, but check out the room, tour the room. I am on the ground floor and we'll have a look at the room, some of the outside, put some clips in for the outside. We'll have a look at the view in a minute of the room, outside the room. And yeah, let's take it from there, all the usual stuff that I do in these videos. So if it's your first time joining me, welcome, and let's get started. So as always, nothing too exciting at the front door, but just a reminder to put your key card in to get your lights and your power to the room, into this little slot here. And as soon as you walk into this room, you have your storage space. You have your ironing board and safe, and some drawers down here. And this curtain, and some hangers. I'll give you a sneak peek of the room just now before we cover it in a little bit of more detail. But back to this unit here, you have this mirror on the door, and when you open this door up, you have a trouser press, I believe, down there, some real cups, mugs, and here you have some biscuits, milk, teas and coffees. There's no kettle in here, but there is one just over there next to a fan, which is a good idea because right now, at this moment in time, it is very warm. So right hand side is the bathroom or shower room. We'll come back to that in a minute. Coming into the room, nice big bed, and I've said this before, see, as long as it's clean and it's tidy, there's little scuffs here and there, but that's standard for a hotel. Nice big mirror in this room, but I do like it. The first impression when you come to this and get into this room in this hotel, it is nice in my opinion. So yeah, nice big bed, 2 bedside units, charging options. You've got 2 USB ports there. One is getting taken up, one plug-in point is taken up by the lamp, and on the other side there is no charging options. You do have the phone for reception, and then another lamp here as well. I do like the space. Oh, that's me breaking the floor, I think. I do like the use of space. You've got a table and a chair there out the way. Rather than just sitting on the bed, you have another chair over there so you can double up on the table, which is good. And then you've got a TV, this desk here with the drawer. We'll have a look at the TV in a minute. We'll put the TV on. There's the kettle there. Just behind the kettle you have 2 plug-in sockets and 2 USB points, and you have this fan here as well on the table. Like I say, it's a great option to have. I like that. I do like that. Is it painting or picture? I think it's a picture. And then another lamp here. You have the hairdryer, and it is very spacey, very roomy. A lot of space here, lots and lots of space there. space way over there where I nearly broke the floor in that corner. So it's not cramped. It does feel very open. Let's have a look at the view. Not much of a view, to be honest. So that is basically the car park, the overflow car park for the theme park itself round the back of the hotel. And then this is the marquee where the Alona Hotel hires out for various events. So not much of a view, to be honest. This is all I have, but at least it is dry. And it's a warm day. It's very, very, very warm. Forgot to mention the towels on the bed. Let's go into the shower room. Now I say shower room because there's no bath in this room. Now I'm sure they do have some bath options. Just check ahead of time. But a nice big walk-in shower here. You do have some complimentary things going on here, so I'm guessing it's going to be like body wash and shampoos. Yeah, there you go. You can just see at the bottom there. And over here we have, what's this called? After the Rain, Lime, Rose and Sandalwood Soap Bar. Complimentary soap bar, and then some glasses, and then this mirror with me. Let's see, we've got 3 Ians in the one room. Who would want that? Here we go. Nice heated towel rail there. So not much really to show in a bathroom and a shower room, but it's nice and spacey, good space. There's a shower. I say that and then I forget to show something. It's a shaver only point, so charging point for shavers. And I think that's everything in here. And I think that's really everything in the room, apart from maybe the bin. I missed the bin. And then we'll have a look at the TV. I think it's just going to be your standard TV channels. Sometimes I don't really have much luck with TVs.
Channel 4 Homes, sponsored by Scottish Gas Energy.
On mute. Can we put that on mute? It's not going on mute. Why is it not going on mute? What's going on here? Mute. There we go. So it is a smart TV, and if you wanted to log into your Netflix or your Prime Video, if you wanted to, looks like you can do it, or Now TV or Disney Plus. Looks like you can do all that. That's pretty good. And then live TV, you just select terrestrial, and it looks like you have all your normal TV channels. You can get some other ones, unless that's just TV adverts. So it looks like a good selection. There we go. I'm not going to scroll through every single TV channel, but if my opinion counts for anything, it looks like there's a lot of choice there. Pretty much short and sweet. I have stayed at this hotel a few times. I think this is maybe my 3rd time staying here and doing a video. I've maybe stayed here longer, more times, sorry, and not done a video. But like I say, I'll put clips in of the outside, the car park. There's always lots of car parking here. I've never seen any issues with that. And they do have a nice kind of bar and restaurant as well. Very, very busy just now. If I can get some clips, like I say, I'll put them in either at the beginning of the video or at the end of the video, or somewhere where I can fit that in. There's no like room service or prices that I can see anything of. Mainly have information in regards to the theme park, so you can check like what's on at the Alona with the QR codes, and then what's on here at their park as well. You can have a fun day at M&D's theme park. But on that note, that's really it. Hopefully you have enjoyed this little kind of room tour. I've got lots of videos on my channel, various videos from hotels, mainly travel, some theme parks, Disney, Universal, some cruises in there as well, and check them out. So a whole range of kind of adventure and travel videos on my account. So hit subscribe if you like to stick around, support the channel, hit the like. I hope you're all well, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.